we should, in today's world where we're not in contact with with bacteria too much, or we're not living in the sewers or anything, we shouldn't be getting cancer. And we're getting, the U.S. has 5.5% of people who have cancer. Okay, that's more than 1 in 20. So that means that those cancers are man-made.
Yeah.
And they're not man-made by food, and they're not man-made by because there's no way food is going to go and find its way in the niches, the endothelial niches. There's no way. This is done by injections, most likely. Okay, most likely by these, and that's why we're seeing this explosion of cancer that is starting to get out in the media today. Now, when you have a theory, it's always important to have pointers that directionally tell you you're right, because the first part of my theory is a cascade of domino effects, which are science. They're unequivocal. Nobody can discount that. It's just laws of science that I'm just applying them with different scenarios. On the genetic tinkering side also, there's going to be binding. It's chemistry. It's going to happen. Okay. The fact that you're going to physically stop one chromosome, that's also something you can be certain that's happening. So that part is, I don't need to prove it. Anybody with any common sense will understand that. What I can't prove as a conjecture is the fact that contaminated stem cells split and multiply to divide. I'm basically extrapolating from oxygen, from reactive oxygen species to the other, and saying that's that's the way it does with oxygen. There's a fair chance that's what it's doing with other contamination, and the contamination can be viruses. It can be other substances that are ill injected.